Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity. Write the first letter of each picture's name in the blank spaces provided. Look at the first picture. What do you see? Yes, it's a butterfly. The first sound of butterfly is B, so we will write B in the blank space. Now look at the second picture. It's a camel. What is the first sound? C. Great job. The third picture shows an apricot. The beginning sound is A. Let's write A. Next, we have a ball. The beginning sound is B, so we will write B in the space given. Likewise, continue for the remaining pictures. Airplane, A, balloons, B, computer, C, car, C, cake, C, bat, B, cow, C, almonds, A. Conclusion. Great job, everyone. Today we learned about the beginning sounds of different words. Keep practicing, and soon you will be able to recognize the first sounds of many more words. See you in the next lesson.